And what is your favorite animal? Let me know in the comment section. So you can I'll be very happy if you let me know in the okay. Just wait a second. I'll be back in time. Just wait a little bit. So thanks for waiting. I'm back, and okay. So it's done, and now this little black area, just like this. Okay. So it will be done in few minutes. Just wait a little bit and it will be done. And now it's our time to draw the dragon. So also some this color on the dragon, red hair like this. Okay, and then its body will be this color also, because its egg is sky blue color, so our dragon also will be the sky blue color. Okay, and now it's time to paint the blue color. His interface like body like this. So basically it's our baby dragon. So it's now his wings or fangs, whatever you say. Trying to draw this. Okay. Man, it's so disgusting when the lights go off. Okay. And now its horn, it's gonna be some red color. Okay, just draw it like this one, this, and also this. So our first dragon drawing is complete, and let's move on the other one. So also its wings gonna be blue color. Okay. And this dragon is a little big one, so it's gonna be some sort of green dragon like this. Okay, his entire body will be some green color dragon, just like this. If you want, you can use another color. It's all up to you. It's not necessary that you have to use what I am using.